God dang!
Today we will make LED light dirt bike, and the reason why we are doing it is because we are part of this extreme winter circus. There will be super epic light show on that extreme winter circus, and the guys asked us that can we do like some sort of LED effects on our bikes. That's why we are doing it today. And by the way, that tour is going to be something what we haven't seen in Finland before. So if you are interested, epic motorsport show, go to the description and click the link and buy the tickets. You don't want to miss these. Our plan is to hot glue these LED strips on our wheels, and after that we're gonna test our new product. We got Uber tape, what glows on the dark, and our logos, what glows on the dark. So we're gonna test these also today. Let's start from the front wheel, and we ain't gonna hot glue the LED strip on the rim, because if we wanna take the LEDs off, I'm a bit afraid that the hot glue will look ugly on the rim. So we're gonna use the Uber tape on it. We're gonna first tape the wheel, and after that we're gonna hot glue the LED strip on the Uber tape. And after that, if you wanna take the LEDs off, we can just take the Uber tape off and throw the whole fucking lights on the garbage.
Now we have Uber tape on the wheel. Next we're gonna start gluing these LED strip.
First I'm gonna check, do this even work?
Which one is better?
Woo! Oh yeah!
Oh my god.
It's getting dark outside. Let's do the rear wheel and... Oh shit! It looks good. But now we need to find out, can you still ride it? God damn! It looks good! Oh my god, that's so epic. The front wheel is losing power. The battery wasn't full.
Ah, but it's working pretty good.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Yeah, now you can see the stickers, David.
It looked so good. It's a shame that we didn't charge the front battery full, because
Yeah.
it looked so good in the beginning, yeah.
We should make bigger video with many bikes.
Yeah, maybe we should. That bike looked so good.
And it was so simple to build it.
Yeah, and cheap.
Yeah, it takes about 2 hours or something.
So if you want to build something like this, just do it, man. Just do it, because it looks so good in real life. Thanks for watching. Very awesome, very fast.